Cap Nebulous here, and we're gonna make a Nebulous video. Right now, we're gonna try to take over. This is gonna be a new series that I think you guys are gonna love because it's really cool, and I think it's gonna be a really cool series. So basically, this taking over thing is kind of like you already know what's gonna happen. We're gonna try to wreck the whole server solo, but we might be teaming with some people, maybe with my friends sometimes. So that's the whole part of going solo, and we're gonna see if we can do it. So let me just pick a random color. Just pick dark blue and that's it. Alright, let's play. So take over with me, and I'm in GG clan. The GG clan is really good because, well, it's not that good, but it's pretty good because like most people in there are really nice. So it's kind of weird because my parents are sleeping, so I can't talk that loud. So, but yeah, if I don't get to take over in 5 minutes, I'll try to troll the number one guy and pretend I'm his teammate so I can already win. Like troll, it's kind of funny and cool. So yeah, I recommend you don't troll because trolling is like bad. Did you see that photo? Like a toilet. It was weird. Oh yeah, I forgot to give credits to the clan leader of GG clan. Why is this guy feeding me? I want to see if I can eat him. But yeah, I'm gonna give some credit to him because I was teaming up with him. I was recording, but then my recording got messed up, so I couldn't do it. Basically, I just giving credit to him because he's pretty good. And I also want to talk about, because I can't get music yet because my parents have to buy me a card for the music stuff. So when I get the music, I'll probably still make some uncut stuff thingy. But yeah, what the fuck was that? What was that? That was so retarded. But yeah, once I get the stuff, I'll probably see if I can make cool montage stuff. Come on. Come on. Come on, so close. No, what the fuck was that split? No, I'm not falling. No, they're gonna kill me. I need to run away. Come on, spawn me a virus. Spawn me a virus. I'm so scared. Because I'm literally in second place. And I could die right now by these guys. Can you just go away? No, they're trying to kill me, dude. They're so bad. Why are you going for me? Oh my god, you're the worst. I'm splitting all into him. Wait, what happened? Dude, that was bullshit. Why were you going for me? You could have split for that other guy, but no, you had to go to me. Let me see if some of my friends would like to do it for us. Yeah, I'm in my bed. So, no, none of my friends. Well, yeah, 3 are online, but I don't talk to those guys that much. See, I'm a co-leader. GG Clement, so happy. No, it's life. Okay. GG vanish, blah blah blah. There's nobody online? Bruh. I'm the only one online in GG Clan. I guess that's what happens when you start recording a video by yourself. Take over with me, boy. Come on, do it. Just do it. Just do it. I should put my name as TakeOver Video, cause I'm making a video and they'll probably know because I put video on it, so they'll start teaming up and see if we can take over. I suck when I'm little, but no, why did you split away, you little kid? Okay, I'm gonna change my name to Video. Video. Alright, the video part is kind of messed up, but whatever. Yeah, I finally got to level 200, guys. Yesterday I was level 199. And now I'm level 200. Let's go. Also I want to give some credit to Cosmic Areas, because he was the one that showed me the recording app. It's really good. No, bro, why would you split? You're so bad. Okay, I'm so lonely, dude. I'm so lonely. Nobody's teaming up with me. And the #1 guy is like so big. Also, once I... Oh man, can you just F off? Oh, I got him. He's dead. Bro, what the freak? Get wrecked, boy. No, can you just... Are you serious? Why would you freaking move? Why? Do you have a problem? I am so mad right now. Oh my god. Dude, I'm gonna have to take over. This video's already gone for 7 minutes. And if I don't do this until I get 10 minutes, then I'll just put it to stop. And then I'll see when I get big and try to wreck everyone. I don't want to do an ice split yet, because... Oh, yes. Revenge, boy! Get wrecked. That's savage right there. Nope, 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 just... No, 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 no. What? Why would you do that? That was a savage move right there. I was wondering if he was gonna split. I was like, do it. Just do it. Just do it. Get the match you want. Just do it. And he just split and got wrecked. I love when that happens, but when it happens to me, I just get so pissed off. I used to be so good at that. Like, whenever someone was gonna split for me, I just split away. Like went to the other side quickly, so he basically split into my piece. I loved doing that. That was so cool. He's dead. He's dead, boy. When you try your best, but you don't succeed. Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording, and then when I get big, I'll put it back. So.